Buildings have a carbon problem. They contribute 37% of global emissions if you include producing and transporting the materials that went into them. And while tackling building emissions is already a challenge, the built environment is set to get a lot bigger. Space equivalent to the surface of Paris will be added to the world's building stock every week through 2050. If we're to get to net zero, we'll have to ensure buildings are sustainable. The good news is we already have the know-how to make that happen. What will help? Targeted investments that support building sustainability. That includes investing in deep retrofits, since most of the buildings that will be standing in 2050 are already built. It includes investing in more sustainable construction materials and producing others in ways that are less carbon intensive. We'll also need to deploy technologies that help us better reduce and track energy and water usage in buildings, turning occupants into allies in reducing building emissions. And finally, we'll need to scale the district energy systems that enable buildings near each other to harness the same local energy source. Investing in building sustainability is about more than reducing emissions. It's also good business. Sustainable buildings command higher asset values and have lower operating costs. At Ontario Teachers' Pension Plan, we're deploying our capital to help reduce the emissions associated with buildings. Whether it's by investing in sustainable timber in the U.S. or expanding deep lake cooling in Canada, or installing smart meters in apartment buildings in Europe. We're working to prepare buildings for a cleaner future. Because for us, the future of sustainable buildings is already here.